So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get Genmoji on your iPhone. Or you might be looking at your iPhone on iOS 18 and you're wondering where Genmoji even is. Now, the big thing to keep in mind here is that Genmoji isn't available yet on iOS 18. Also, you have to have a certain set of iPhones to even have Genmoji installed in the first place. So number one, Genmoji is reportedly going to be, basically updated and implemented on iOS 18.2. So it is not yet available and it's not going to be available anytime soon. It's going to be available when iOS 18.2 comes out, which I think is probably going to be around probably like November. So we still have a couple of months until Genmoji officially comes out. Now, continuing to read this, the iPhones that are supported on iOS, that are going to be getting Genmoji are going to be the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and I think all the iPhone 16s. So if you have an iPhone, 15, if you have an iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, 10R, those iPhones are not going to be supported on Genmoji. So those are not going to have the capability of going through and, basically making your own emojis. So keep that in mind. I know it's very, very sad. Once Genmoji officially comes out though, I'll make videos on it. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So don't worry about it. You will be the first one to know if you subscribe to this channel. But regardless of that, that's basically that. Sad news a little bit, I know. But Genmoji is going to come out very soon, but just probably going to be another couple more months. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.